how to turn on or off screen share protections on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control screen share protections through developer options on your Android device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel. After that, tap on the settings icon to open your Android settings. From there, scroll down and tap on developer options. At this point, if you don't see developer options, go to About Phone and tap on Build Number 7 times to unlock it first. In the next step, scroll down inside developer options and look for Turn Off Screen Share Protections. Following this, tap the toggle next to it to turn it on or off, depending on what you need. Once done, when the toggle is turned on, screen share protections will be disabled, meaning your screen content can be visible during screen sharing. From here, when the toggle is turned off, screen share protections will be active again, and sensitive content like notifications and secure screens will be hidden during screen sharing. Finally, tap the Home button to go back to your home screen, and your setting will be saved automatically. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you manage your screen share protections, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.